Joy here, and I have some super exciting news to share with you. Soon, my third cookbook, the Joyous Cookbook, will be coming out. You can pre-order it right now, but in this video today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make an absolutely delicious and nourishing recipe from this book. I'm gonna make my broccoli and cranberry salad with a creamy dill dressing. It's so fragrant and yummy. So I want to tell you a little bit about my cookbook. It's for families, it's for food lovers, and it's for health enthusiasts like me and you. I really wanted to create a cookbook that shows you how I eat and how I encourage others to eat as well, with whole foods. Now, of course, there's something for everyone in my book, because my family, we eat lots of plant-based foods, but we also eat some animal foods as well. So I have lots of vegan recipes, lots of vegetarian recipes, but then I have recipes like fish tacos and one-pot paprika chicken. So this book is packed with one-pot meals, with hearty mains, with easy-to-make breakfasts and brunches, packed with sides and salads, delicious and nourishing snacks, and of course, I've got lots of desserts. So my cookbook is going to keep you and your family completely nourished. I want you to eat the foods that make you feel amazing. I'm so excited for you to come on this joyous journey with me because I know you're gonna feel refreshed and rejuvenated and totally motivated to take the best care of you. So I've got all my ingredients for my broccoli cranberry salad, and I pre-washed my broccoli and I chopped it. Now I have some of the stems in here. Don't toss out all the stems because they're also just as nourishing as the broccoli. And broccoli is rich in vitamin C. It's also rich in sulforaphanes, so very detoxifying phytonutrients that help clean your guts out. So also, you know how you get the big long stem? I cut off a chunk of the stem. I'm gonna save those because it adds flavor if I'm making like a vegetable stock, for example, for a soup. I am going to cook it a little bit, but I still want it to have that nice crunch. I cook it just until it gets that like bright green. And actually there's nutrients in broccoli that actually become more bioavailable when you cook it a little bit. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flash boil it, seriously guys, for like 2 minutes. I don't have a vegetable steamer, but you could just steam it really quickly. So you're gonna see how fast. You don't want any soggy broccoli. That's a no-no. So while my broccoli is cooking, I'm gonna quickly whip up the creamy dressing. You could use, if you wanna make this plant-based, then use some coconut yogurt. Use plain, okay, because you don't want sweet dressing. That'd be kind of weird. Or you could use sheep yogurt. Whatever your favorite yogurt is, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use sheep yogurt because I really like that sour taste. So you need about 1 cup of yogurt. Then you're gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I really like apple cider vinegar. It's a really wonderful fermented food, great for gut health. And also apple cider vinegar always gives dressings a really nice zippy zing to it, like that nice like tang. So next I'm gonna add my lemon, but before I do that, I'm just gonna check my broccoli because I think it's done. Oh yes, look, see how nice and bright green it is? So I'm just gonna turn off the heat and take that pot off the heat, and I'll drain it in a sec. Okay, so lemon, we want some lemon juice as well. A little trick I do with lemon juice when I don't have any equipment handy is just use your hand to catch the seeds like that. Now my favorite part of this dressing, of course, is the dill because dill is so delicious. It's so fragrant and it's really good for you. It's really rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium. It's so green, so there's lots of chlorophyll. Okay, now we're just gonna whisk it up, just like that. And then we're going to pour this over our broccoli salad. Okay, now that my dressing is made, I have rinsed my broccoli in cold water after I briefly cooked it, and I've put it in a big salad bowl. So now to this, I'm going to add some almonds. So I've got kind of the mixture of roasted and raw. That's just because what I had on hand. So I'm just gonna roughly chop these. Having a good chef's knife is key, and that's one thing I talk about in the Joyous Cookbook. I tell you key things to have for setting up your joyous kitchen. Okay, now we also have some cranberries. When you buy cranberries, just make sure they are sulfite free. That's a preservative that you want to avoid, and you can tell these are because see how these cranberries, these dried cranberries, are not bright red, that's how you know there's no preservatives in it. It's actually really hard to find unsweetened cranberries though, but I think these are just sweetened with applesauce. So I'm okay with that. Now, the other ingredient that I'm actually not adding today is red onion. I really love onion, but unfortunately, onion doesn't love me anymore. But if you are okay with onion, I highly encourage you to add it. Just really thinly sliced red onion to this is really, really delicious. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is add our dressing to the salad. Oh, you know what we should do though before? I just wanna give it a little taste test. Oh yeah, that's really nice. That tastes delicious. See how simple this is? Like real food, whole food tastes so good, looks so beautiful with the simplest ingredients. Okay, so just dump it in and mix it up. I would suggest that you refrigerate this for about an hour before serving it if the broccoli is not chilled, because you want to serve this salad chilled. That's really ideal. So there you have it. You have a creamy, look how creamy that is. There's so much flavor in here. You get a little bit more dill if you like. Okay, let's try this delicious salad. You really taste the dill, it's so nice. So if you wanna try out 5 more delicious recipes from the Joyous Cookbook, right now when you pre-order my cookbook, you get my recipe bundle, which has 6 recipes, including this delicious broccoli salad. And all you have to do is go to the link in my description box, you just enter in your receipt number and you will get the pre-order bundle sent to you by email and get to try many delicious recipes from my book. So I hope you guys love this recipe for broccoli and cranberry salad with this creamy, yummy, delicious dill dressing. And let me know, comment below, ask me your questions, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also pre-order your copy of the Joyous Cookbook today so you can try out those recipes. Bye guys!